Hello everyone, I'm Yo-Yo, and today I'm excited to share a highly requested tutorial from my recent video. It's about creating a peaceful, seaside-themed room in Animal Crossing, a design that has captivated many and led to numerous requests for a step-by-step guide. I hope this tutorial inspires more creative designs. Let's get started. First, we place the balcony flooring. Since the room is small, the wooden bookshelf will cover half of the entrance. We'll cover the top and right sides with the climbing wall. Actually, one log extra long sofa is enough, but 3 are used to avoid an unattractive slant in the viewing angle. Next is the most important part, the wild log bench, creating a step effect. The simple panel acts as a door. Once the antique bureau is placed, exit the edit mode and then re-enter the room to open it for a better look. Position adjustments for the fragrant sticks and Zen cushions are minor. They're mainly to avoid blocking the entrance. The wall is mainly to cover the parts of the wooden bookshelf that aren't tall enough. You can put anything there as long as it covers it. Finally, don't forget the rug. And there, our room setup is complete. Isn't it simple? When taking photos, ensure your viewpoint is low and directly facing the middle sofa. And with a dancing emote for the photo. Thank you for watching.